This strategy made almost $14,000 day trading on TradingView, and I'll show you step by step how to achieve these results for yourself. Let's not waste a single second and get straight into the video. TradingView has an insane number of indicators listed on its platform for every type of strategy style. While some are amazing, most struggle to make the cut. Well, I have found 2 indicators right here to make a done-for-you trading strategy. Let's get these added to the chart and then show you how we can use them to make trades. Head up to the indicators at the top left, and all we need to do to find these indicators is to search FLUX CHARTS. They have created both of these amazing indicators, and today I will show you how to utilize their powerful algorithms. Once you've searched FLUX CHARTS, add these 2 indicators here. The first indicator is the SFX algo, and the second indicator is the MTF supply and demand zones. Add these 2 to your chart, and next let's look at the settings. Open the SFX algo indicator settings. We'll change the supply and demand zone settings later. We're going to want to change a few things. For the algo settings, make sure that the sensitivity is set to 55 and that the signal strength is set to 50. We'll also change the time weighting to recent trends. And for the rest of the settings, make sure that all of these boxes match yours for the best results. Okay, so now that we've got the indicator ready, we now need to know how to take buys and sells. So let's get into it. There are a few powerful add-ons for this indicator. On the right hand side, you can see we have this awesome SFX algo chart showing the trends between the different markets. We will also see a star rating for trending markets. These are rated from 1 star to 5 star and show the probability of how likely it is for price to climb higher or fall lower. We can quickly see this by the box on the top right. It will show the current rating of the market. Now we're on the 1 minute chart, so with the SFX indicator, we want to spot when buys and sells signals paint. But not only that, we also want to see a high star rating, which means that the probability of the trade hitting is much higher. So just from this info, we can get a safe win rate just from taking 4 and 5 star signals with high success. While it's powerful to know if a trade will win, we don't know exactly how much the market will move, meaning that we don't know where price could hit a take profit level. This is where the supply and demand indicator comes into play. Double click on it to open the settings, and in the time frame section, make sure that the first box is set to charts, aka the 1 minute market, and then tick the 5 minute and 15 minute charts below. We can now see the supply and demand zones for our chart that are important for this strategy. When we see a supply and demand zone, which is the green and red boxes, we know that price will struggle to push through these areas, meaning there is a good chance of rejection or continuation of price. For this strategy to work, we will want to watch for price to bounce off of the supply and demand areas. The more it tries to break through and fail, the better, because this means that the market still wants the overall price to move in the intended direction. From here, we want to see either of these happen. If we are looking to buy from the demand zone, which is the green area, we want to see the buy signal paint with a star rating of 3, 4 or 5 stars. 4 or 5 star ratings being preferred. The same goes for a sell. For a red supply zone, we want to see the sell signal paint with a star rating of 3, 4 or 5 stars, and 5 stars naturally being the best. The more that price bounces off these supply and demand zones, the better, as this improves the trade success rate massively. So to enter a trade, wait for the S&D bounces in price, then wait for price to paint a buy or sell signal. The rating should be 3 stars or higher, but 5 is preferred. For the stop loss, we are going to place it at the green or red zone where price has failed to push through, and we can either set our take profit to a set target like 2 risk to reward ratio, or the higher profit method is to target the buy or sell zone where price is moving towards. Once price hits the level, we can safely close the trade in profit. And this is how you make money day trading in 2024. Okay, so I'm now going to test this 100 times just for you. If you're curious on how I trade, then please click the link below. But let's show you the results for this amazing strategy and get you profitable. And here we go. It's time for the full results to be revealed. And we can see that with 100 trades taken, we started with a balance of $1,000. And over the trades, we had 71 wins and 29 losses, making a massive 1,283% gain on the account. and we took the account all the way up to $12,838 profit, giving us a final win rate score of 71%. Absolutely amazing, and definitely my favorite premium indicators to use. If you want to check them out for yourself, then please click the pinned link in the comments or description below and start trading. If you sign up to FLUX Charts right now, not only will you get 7 days risk-free to use these indicators, but you can also use code MO at checkout for a generous 20% off. And there's loads more indicators in there waiting for you, plus a great community in Discord. So for the price of 1 or 2 takeaways a month, you can take the leap and change your life in 2024. So click the link now and I will see you on the markets and in the Discord. And my name's Mo, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.